Today's question, what's the difference between Humana Term Life Insurance and Humana Whole Life Insurance? Simple answer is that they are both types of life insurance. And life insurance can help take care of your family's finances in case you die. If you aren't around anymore, life insurance can help make sure there's some money available to do things like send your children to college and make your house payment. Most of us avoid thinking about life insurance because we don't like to think about, well, our own deaths. Then what's the difference between term life insurance and whole life insurance? Whole life insurance stays with you, providing benefits to your loved ones at the time of your death, whenever that is. Term life insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage and pays benefits to your survivors during specific shorter time frames that you choose, like 10 years or 20 years. It's sort of like buying versus renting. With whole life, you are protecting your loved ones for your entire lifetime without risk that the price will go up. Term life, on the other hand, is like renting because it gives you coverage during the specific number of years you need it the most. But which type of life insurance is best for you, term life or whole life? To make it easier to explain, let's take a look at Anne and her husband Tim, who both have jobs that pay pretty well. And they have 2 kids at home, Johnny and Vanessa. If Anne or Tim dies unexpectedly, they know it would be tough to keep paying all the family bills, make the house payments, and send their kids to college. So what kind of insurance do Anne and Tim need? To figure it out, they did the math. It will be 15 years before Johnny and Vanessa are both done with college. So Anne and Tim decided that if one of them dies, and if they want their family to be able to stay in their house and stay active in the same activities, they each need a 15-year term life insurance policy so that if one or both of them dies, their family's finances will be a little easier. But what happens after 15 years when their term policy expires? This is where whole life insurance can help. Whole life covers you during your whole lifetime. Once you have it, it's there for you and doesn't have a time limit like term life does. Because Anne and Tim still want some life insurance in their later years, each of them also bought a smaller whole life insurance policy to cover funeral costs and other personal or family expenses no matter when they die. Anne and Tim feel a lot better knowing that their deaths won't be a financial burden to the family they leave behind. So now you know about whole life insurance and term life insurance from Humana. Until next time, stay smart and stay healthy.
Yo तो कर देगा वो पढ़ना पढ़ना बटन पढ़ना हाँ हो जाएगा।